Now, children, today we are going to start with unit first, that is life values, health, and food. So, let's study with the chapter number first, going to school. So, take the thing that you do yourself to get ready for the school. The night before, do you do your homework? It says, check your timetable. Yes. Pack your bag. Check your pencil box. Open your pencil. Keep your uniform ready and polish your shoe. In the morning, right? Next is in the morning, get up on time, आप सुबह उठते brush your teeth, right? Have a bath, yes, wear your uniform, but put your lunch in your lunch box, fill your water bottle and eat breakfast, right? All these things everyone does at night on the morning. So let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 2, healthy habits. So to remain healthy, we should follow some healthy habits. Take the healthy habits and cross unhealthy habits. Wearing dirty clothes, it is unhealthy. Oiling hair daily, it's healthy. Cleaning your ear with pencil, it is unhealthy. It may harm your ear. Washing hands before and after eating, it's healthy. Brushing twice a day is healthy. Cleaning your tongue with tongue cleaner, yes, it's healthy. Now picking nose with finger, it's not healthy. Taking bath daily is healthy, and wearing new clothes, clean clothes, it's also healthy. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 3, garbage. So, biodegradable waste do not harm our nature as they break naturally with the time. They always keep our environment safe. So, collect, look at the picture and pick the correct biodegradable. जिनको हम दोबारा से क्या कर सकते हैं? Renew कर सकते हैं. Poly bag, no, they are non-biodegradable. These are biodegradable. Plastic bottles are not. Newspaper, wood, cells, no. Yes, these all are biodegradable. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 4. What poster says. Here the different posters are given. You have to tell what they say. So these posters and slogans for Save Your Environment campaign. Write the number of posters, match them with the slogan. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature, and I will never fail you. So here you have to write E. Next is International Tiger Day, second one. There are only 1411 tiger left. So यहाँ पे D आएगा. Third one is for the earth, recycle or say no to plastic bag. It's B. Now save water, save life. No. A. Stop pollution. Green revolution is the best solution. जो green revolution है वो best solution है for solving pollution. Right? If you want to remove pollution. Now move to the next chapter, chapter number 5, attributes and success. So in order to be a champion in life, we have to inculcate certain qualities. Write the qualities of the champion and a loser in the space provided. So here the space is provided you. You have to write having a hopefulness, being helpful, speaking truth only, being a pessimist, being hard worker, having full confidence, being a good listener,
Be the that the my in
well disciplined, right? Being a short temper is loser, Mm. Mm. being liar, being cheater, to remain in despair, right? Now our chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter. These are some chanting and dosa that I have told you. Chapter number 6, Yoga for Kids. So look at these yoga postures. They are very important for us. Practice these postures in a वास्तन कहते हैं under the guidance of yogas. हमेशा आपको किसके guidance में करना है? Yoga expert. So this is Sims आसन मतलब lion posture. It is beneficial for muscle of face and neck. ये regular करता है functioning of thyroid. Next is that is Mandukasana, that is frog posture. किसके लिए beneficial है? People having hairy bellies, thighs and hips to improve digestive disorder. और आपको अगर digestive disorder को improve करना है, then also you can eat. Next is Uttam Mandukasana मतलब stretch of frog posture. किसमें help करता है? Reducing back pain. Next is Gurli Asana, that is cobra posture. ये spine को flexible बना. What it makes a spine flexor. It helps in increasing the height of children. Next is ध्यान, that is meditation. ये आपके heart rate को क्या करता है? Lower करता है, blood pressure को और stress को reduce करता है. It helps in reducing stress. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 7, plants and food. So the part of the plant that we go. So first is your potato, हमें root से मिलता है. रेडिश कैरेट भी रूट से मिलती है. स्वीट पोटैटो, स्पेनिश लेटुके, कैबेज, लीफ है. टोमेटो, ब्रिंजल, पंकिन, इट्स फ्रूट. मटर, पी, व्हीट, राइस, मेज. स्टेम, कॉफी, बीन्स. टी, लीफ, कोका, शुगर केन, कॉलीफ्लावर, इट्स अ फ्लावर. फ्रेंच बीन्स. Foods. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 8, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So packed food items have either of these sign. The green sign, ये क्या बताता है कि जो food item है वो किसको vegetarian and red one is for non-vegetarian. So are the following sign आपको बताने हैं कि vegetarian non-veg. Okay, it is vegetarian. This is vegetarian. This is non-vegetarian.
Once.
This is also non-vegetarian.
I will live.
Oreo, vegetarian. Dairy milk is also vegetarian. Peanut spread is also vegetarian. Maggie is also vegetarian.
Yeah.
This is also vegetarian. And your Swiss roll, that is non-vegetarian. Now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 9, healthy and food. Health and food. What do you eat as a direct impact on your health? जो भी आप खा रहे हो उसका direct impact आपकी health पे पड़ता है. And take healthy food, you grow well. If you take junk food, you have deficiency. अगर आपको junk food खा रहे हो तो आपके body में किसी भी जगह की deficiency हो सकती. So answer the following question and test. Which is harmful substance present in tea of coffee? क्या होता है? Caffeine होता है. What is there? Caffeine. Milk is necessary to keep our bones and teeth strong. What is the substance you get from milk? हमें मिल्क से क्या मिलता है? कैल्शियम. Fruits and vegetables are necessary for growth and building up resistance in the body. What do you get from fruits and vegetables? क्या मिलता है हमें? Vitamins and minerals. Lack of vitamin causes a disease called rickets. What is the natural source of vitamin D available? Natural source क्या है आपका? Sunlight. Next is lack of iron makes you anemic. What food items you should include in a meal to get iron? That is your green vegetables. Fibrous material in food that keeps a person healthy. Name this fibrous material. Wheat pulses meat gives a substance for your body to grow. Name it.
Pimples.
Protein. Iron को green vegetables. Fibrous material in food keeps a person healthy. Name this fibrous material, that is roughage. What is the instant source of energy? That is glucose. Right? To maintain good health, you should take a balanced diet to keep balance. आपको proper क्या लेनी चाहिए? Balanced diet लेनी चाहिए. To keep balance, the calories you take should match the calories. जो कितना आपके जो calories जितना आप use करो उसको match it, right? Now this chapter has been completed. We have completed our unit first. Hope you understood each and everything. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.